let's not film me. I'm charging up the battery though for Shelly's baby.
Of course not. Why would Dad film when we're talking about?
No, let's not. I want your attention on me, guys, because we need to figure this out now. Now, I don't want to. I'm not trying to make you uncomfortable or nothing. I mean, you know, you guys, you know, now what are we talking about? So make sure we're all on the same track here. Huh?
SEX.
SEX? Okay.
French kisses and all that.
Well, you guys are the ones that keep talking about French kissing. Now, what do you know about French kissing? How'd you learn all that?
I hate to tell you this.
What?
From Corey.
Well, that doesn't surprise me. Now, who showed you the picture of the naked girls?
Oh, Andrew is a pog. It was just pog.
And what was the girl doing?
She was just going like, she was like going like this and naked.
Was she totally naked?
Yeah. She was like this, naked.
Brother, how old is he?
He's about 11 or 12.
Yeah, that's why, you know. Well, okay, so now, okay, who knows? First of all, let's see what you do know. Who can tell me how are babies made?
I know.
Okay, let me hear it. Anthony, you tell me.
Same thing I told you.
You'll tell me.
People, when men kiss each other, when they have their sperm.
When men kiss who?
Ladies. And then their sperm, and their mouths are closed, when they have their, like, bowels or something, or slop, it goes into the lady's mouth, and there's sperm in their slop. So,
Their slobber?
yeah, their slobber, yeah. So then, all the sperm goes in the lady, and then it turns into an egg.
And then what happens?
A little egg, and then
it grows.
Then it breaks,
The
and
more
then
you eat. The more you eat,
it
the more it
grows
grows.
very, very slowly.
And then what happens?
There's a baby in there.
And if you're gonna have two,
Okay, and where's the baby come from? How does the baby get out?
Huh? Let's just say that the egg's so weak that she just pushes.
I mean, but where does the baby come from is what I'm saying.
Oh,
'Cause from the
from
man.
heaven.
No, I mean, how does the baby come out of the woman?
Well, of course,
it comes out
cut up their belly and grab them out. See, you know how the mom, that's what happened to Mom. When she was this big or something, you know, and now it got very flat when they took us both out. So now when,
she was that big.
hanging out like
Did you
that.
have pictures of Mom being fat like that?
No, that's
Fat.
called pregnant, when she was pregnant.
It's not
Yeah.
bad.
You know, huge.
Okay, now, let me ask you something. Now,
Oh,
here's the thing. Now, let me just tell you this. Some of what you said is right, and some of what you said is wrong. Okay? Now, do you guys want me to tell you the right way or what? Or do you guys want to wait a little while? I mean, you know, I'm a little
Just
embarrassed.
give it to us.
Huh?
Just tell us.
Tell you the right way?
Alright,
You know, I mean,
I know.
well, what?
It is gross. I can't
Just do
believe
it.
it.
What, you know
You have-
already?
You have to.
Just tell me. If you know, tell me. Come on, we're pals.
You have to take it.
What? Just tell me, man. I'm a little embarrassed too.
Take this off.
What, your shirt?
Yeah, you have to get.
Lauren said something funny about
You have
it.
to get naked?
Yeah.
And then what? Huh?
Smooch.
Just smooch?
But
You lay-
Well, why? Let me ask you. Why? Let me ask you. Hold on. Why?
You lay in the bed to go.
Yeah, but why would you have to be?
They go like this. They lay in a bed and they go like this.
I'll make you.
Well, how do you know?
They do.
How do you know? How do you know?
Oh,
I just
wow.
do.
Just are flipping channels.
Flipping through the channels. Of what? What channel?
Dad, I already knew.
Well, wait a second. Let me ask you a question, okay? You guys, hold on. You're 8 years old. You're old enough to know. Listen up.
When you talk
Let me ask you something. Why, why do you have to be naked then? If somebody wants to have a baby?
I don't know, but that's what some crazy people
know.
do. A lady and women, when they get married after a few months or something, they lay on the bed naked and they start kissing and stuff.
But why would they do that?
I don't know. It's weird. I don't really know.
I've
never had it.
I don't know.
Well, I mean, I know you've never had it, Brent. You're only 8 years old.
Oh yeah, Dad, I'll prove it.
Prove what?
The statue on TV.
Yeah, but that's not. Hold on. They're not. Those people are not.
They're both naked. Yeah, Dad.
Yes, but they're not making a baby. Those people. That's just. How do I
Or
explain?
kissing naked.
Okay, look. Let's try it this way. Listen. Hold on.
I think it's like a an
Okay, listen
antique
up.
that
Let's
shows you
understand
on-
something. Understand something. The reason Dad's telling you this now is because you guys keep hearing a bunch of stuff at school about how to do this and how to do that. I just want to, if you guys want to know the real way, I guess I could tell you, but it'd be kind of hard. But I guess I could. You guys want to hear it? Huh? Yes or no? I mean, why am I asking
What the
you?
heck?
Okay, look. first of all, let's talk about how do you think, let's say cats. How do you think cats get pregnant?
Well, actually, they sniff each other's butt. That's what dogs do. See, Ginger got a boy. Every time I looked at them when Ginger didn't have puppies yet. When Ginger looked at Bo and Bo looked at her, everywhere Ginger walks around, Bo always follows to sniff their butt.
Okay, but then what did they do?
They kiss puppies.
No, did you ever see Bo?
Yeah, they lick each other.
Yeah, but did you ever see when Bo, used to get up on top of Ginger?
Yeah.
Well, what do you think they were doing?
Oh, they're hugging each other.
They were doing what?
They're hugging each other.
Yeah, Anthony, hold on.
They were having.
Hold on a second. Let me just tell you.
They were having
Having what?
that.
Sex?
Animal sex.
Nobody in the world knows how to do animal sex.
No, but listen, yeah.
Because we're not animals.
No, but we know how it works.
Daddy, how does it happen?
No, we know how it works. Daddy knows how it works.
That's each other and they go like this.
They were having
in front of others.
Okay, have you ever seen?
First time they met, they go.
Okay, look. Okay, let's talk about the dogs then. When Bo and Ginger, when they did their little thing. Okay, in order for the dog, listen to me. Just listen. In order for the dog's, sperm to get inside of Ginger.
Yeah, I never knew
Listen.
that.
Yes, listen.
Sniff their butts and
No,
then
listen.
the air comes out of the nose and
No, listen to me, guys. The Ginger already has the eggs inside of her.
You're like this. The Ginger.
Listen, when Ginger, listen now.
Eggs in her belly?
No, inside her stomach. Yeah, when she's born, the female dog, she's a female, so she has eggs in her.
Yeah,
but
right when the eggs
in order for the eggs to, don't be silly now. Hang on, listen. In order for the eggs to become baby puppies, they have to get sperm put on them. Well, how do you think the sperm gets in there? Did you, not by kissing. That's the dog.
Well, they do the little bits of sperm.
Yeah, but where does it come from?
And then it goes. And it piles up.
What would you say if I told you that the sperm came from the dog's penis?
No.
Coming from where?
His baby. He had to
Maybe he was sick.
A weird thing
Okay.
to say.
Listen. What would you guys say though? Okay, so now you guys know where it comes from, right? Okay, so listen. Okay, so the sperm comes from Bo's, pee-pee, and how do you think it gets into Ginger?
They pee on her.
And they don't pee on her.
Well, what do you think? No, well maybe. Listen. Okay, so the sperm comes from Bo's, pee-pee, and how do you think it gets into Ginger?
They pee on her.
And they don't pee on her.
Well, what do you think? Come on.
Did they lick each other's pee?
No. When Bo gets on top of Ginger,
The pee touches her back?
no, it touches her.
But
No.
pee.
Yeah.
Oh! You mean when the ball is on the back, you mean the pee goes inside her body and right and touches the pee?
No,
I mean the pee goes right in front of her butt and touches her pee? How does it do
it
it?
touches her, her vagina.
Oh, I know what that is. Tiffany always teases. She says, "Oh yeah, you always look in your mom's vagina."
Okay, but see, that's where Bo's, penis is going. Well, do you understand what I'm saying though?
Just say turd, okay?
No, come on.
Well,
I'm trying to tell you guys this so you guys can know it, so you know the right way.
it's polite.
Okay, well it is polite. That's
Then
good.
how do you know you're not a mammal?
Yes, I am a mammal.
I mean,
Well, honey, I know because I've learned, and now it's your turn to learn.
how does everybody know they're not
Well,
animals?
scientists and doctors and veterinaries, they study this stuff. If
But
you,
how do they study on their wings?
well, honey, they
They do
study
surgery
everything.
and-
We're
Hey,
babies.
Dad, you remember that newspaper showed these ladies when they had baby suits? She was like 4 or 5. Their boobs like this big, a big ball. One of them like
Oh yeah.
what was it, milk filled?
No, some ladies just have big boobs. All I was gonna say is that now that you know where the sperm comes from, you know how it gets into the dogs, right?
Yeah.
So the dog
My
has
tickles.
to put his penis where? In Ginger's
Ginger's
Sweet.
vagina.
in her Virginia.
Virginia.
No, her vagina. I'm just teasing.
Her vagina.
Okay, now let's.
Vegetable.
this is getting way too
You're
far.
a
I know,
vegetable.
but listen up. Hold on. Now, do you remember, a long time ago? Okay, now can you see that human beings are pretty much the same way?
Yeah.
You guys have.
Oh, listen now. Listen to what I'm saying. So it doesn't come out of your mouth. Okay?
What comes out here?
No.
Comes out of your
Butt.
Yeah, it comes out of your penis.
Penis?
Yes.
You mean it?
What?
You mean that white
Always
stuff?
touching
Yeah.
the girl.
No, it goes into the woman's vagina and then it gets on the egg.
How? They get
What do
naked
they
and
rub?
when the stomach to stomach, then when their peas touch each other, then
How do we do that? Girls don't have.
Well, no, they have vaginas though.
But Dad, how does the pea stuff go into the lady?
Well, that's why.
'Cause they pay
Okay,
for
now
it.
hold on. No, they
the
don't.
stuff in their pea goes up to the mouth and they
We
No,
like to see how
That's
guys-
why. That's why people. That's why.
What do they kiss for?
No, because I'm going to tell you that in a minute. That's a good question.
Just for loving both skins.
Hold on. The thing is like people that are strangers, they don't do that. I mean, like a man and a woman don't just get naked and then do that. But
They
a
get
man,
married
listen,
and that's
listen.
what females
Yes,
do.
but a man and a woman that really love each other, right? And they love each other a lot. Then that's what they do while they're loving. The reason they kiss and hug is because because they love each other, and that's how a man and a woman show each other how much they love each other.
Well, can't they just
like when
get
I hug
married
you,
and then
and
they get
like,
babies?
well, hold on, no,
That was
because
what I thought when people get married, that's how they get babies when they
well,
get
yeah,
married.
but now you're getting a little older, and I want to make sure you know the right way. And the right way is that when two people love each other and they're hugging and kissing, and then if they think it's time to have a baby, then they have to do that, yeah, because it's the only way to get the sperm from the man into the woman. Do you understand that?
Crazy
Dad,
the
naked
lady,
naked and
Wait, they get what?
If,
One time. What?
if they get naked, then their wiener, the
wiener?
lady's vagina and the boy's
Virginia.
touch together.
Yep. But listen, hold on. That's the way God. But that's the way God made us, just like the animal.
You know, when I never heard
It
about
goes
this,
inside,
that-
yes.
It's gross.
I don't think I'm gonna have kids, Dad.
Dad, he said that the pee-pee goes in the lady's vagina. I can't go pee. I don't have to. I don't have to either.
This time.
Mom, surely
No.
you mean when they hug naked, the pee-pee goes just slips in? Because it goes, just slips.
You
And
guys.
then they hug and then it goes, and then he takes the squirt. He takes the
What are you looking
a
for?
comic card?
Oh, well, listen, we're not here to talk about cars. Okay, are we done pretty much with this discussion?
Pop,
Or do you have any
let me
questions?
Ask my question. I got a question.
Okay, ask a
I got a question.
okay, ask a question. And listen, let me explain something to you. If you guys have any questions at all at any time, you can always ask me, okay?
Okay.
All right. I mean, I'd rather you hear it from me, even though I'm not doing a real good job here. But, you know, well, no, but I'm trying to explain to you, and I hope you're not too young. But you know, I just don't want you to hear it the wrong way. That's all.
Papa, listen.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the girls are laying here, and then
You mean the lady's vagina? You mean the lady's vagina just go like this? And grab the penis?
No.
Girls have that.
trees
Oh
have
my gosh.
babies. Well, let's
No,
see.
wait, no, hold on, let go. I don't even know if this is. I don't know if I should show you this.
No, Papa. If we're doing it right now, then we're doing it right now.
Okay, hold on, wait, sit down, sit down. This is pretty heavy duty, but what the hell?
Heavy duty.
Now listen,
Pa,
what?
isn't what the hay mean like the same thing
Yeah.
as what the heck?
Yes, but listen up.
I always say what the heck.
Okay, where do you think the sperm comes from?
Well, actually, from a man's body for the one
From
million
where?
times. Well, in their chest or something.
No,
What?
it comes from the testicles.
Testicles.
That's your balls.
You mean the balls? The two balls like
Listen.
this. They go like this.
No, come here, Brent. Listen, come here. I probably shouldn't do this. Show you this.
That's gross.
I hope you guys.
Oh, Dad, there's another book that shows a pee-pee, a lady's vagina. It shows the insides. It shows the inside
Have
of
you
the
seen
lady
it?
and it shows it. Yeah, it shows the
Okay,
little
well, that's
red
kind of what
pee-pee.
this is. But look, now don't laugh. This is not for fun. This is just. I'm going to show you kind of something here. This is a drawing. This is a lady's vagina, and this is a man's penis.
Where?
You see? And here's a man's testicles. You know, his nards.
How come there's only one nard?
Well, I don't know.
But that,
Look at it! You believe that? That's actually a lady's
Regina?
No,
And
listen.
then who's Winnie's who?
No, let me show you. Hold on. No, Anthony, get serious. Come here. This is the ovaries. This is where the eggs are. See, it says eggs. That's where the eggs are.
Oh, yeah. I can't. I don't
where's the
understand.
vagina right here?
Mm-hmm.
And where's the boy?
He missed it, I guess.
No, that's not it. That's just one side of it, and this is the other side.
You mean this is his winner?
Yeah.
His winner? That's so weird.
Well, it's just a drawing.
It's an
And it's going inside?
Yeah.
Dad, I'm not having kids with this.
Well, okay, that's that.
Real
And,
good.
well, I want you to say that. No, hold on. Watch your mouth, please.
I'm good.
Okay, listen up. No, listen to me seriously, guys. And you listen good, both of you. The stuff that we talk about here, guess who doesn't have to hear this?
Us?
No?
Children?
Yes.
Girls?
Well, guess. There's somebody in this house.
Jenna.
That's right.
And Mom.
Well, Mom knows what goes on
Yeah, Mom didn't want to hear it.
about this stuff. That's not. First of all, you guys need to be a little bit more careful.
We're not one of those weirdo kids.
Well, I know, but I'm just saying you have to be a little more careful. I'm not gonna look. Wait. I don't know if I want to show you this, but I think I better.
Oh my God.
Okay, now you ain't ready for this.
Pa.
Now you guys hold on.
You
Please
can hear
try to
it.
be strong.
Can't we hook up?
Listen, come here. Come up here. This is a lady having a baby. This is where it
I
comes
mean, the
from.
guy's pulling up a baby's
Yeah, but you
head.
see, here's the lady. She goes there. She goes to the hospital. She lays down. Okay, and then the big head comes out first. See the head
Gosh,
comes out first?
oh my gosh,
See,
it comes
comes
from
out
her
of the
butt.
vagina. No, the vagina, which is right over the butt. So you see, here's the lady, and here's the baby coming out. And remember that little thing that's hooked up to the belly button?
How did I have to twist it like that?
Well, that's the way it comes out. And then they tie it up and they cut it off, and then that's how you get your belly button. That's the umbilical cord. That's how you eat when you're inside mama. That's how you eat. It's from this
She's
cord.
got a hairy one.
Oh, honey, come on.
Eat
Hey.
a butt crack.
Oh no.
But Dad,
Look, now, do you understand? Does this make more sense now?
Stomach.
Dad, I could just
Listen to me, and I'll explain it. Shh, I'll explain it.
Big to come out of the vagina.
No, you'd be surprised.
But didn't it come out of the baby on the lady's
Some
stomach?
no, only if there's a problem. And with you guys, see, you guys were sideways. You were. Let's see. Yeah, you were sideways, so you
I
can't.
was like this.
Yes, so you can't come out of the vagina, so that could be a problem. Now, in the olden days when they didn't know how to cut them open, mom could have died. But now, if the babies don't come out this way, the doctors cut the mom open and they just take them out, and that's what they did with you guys. So you guys didn't come out of mom's
I mean,
vagina.
they use X-rays and see if they're like this way.
Yes, that's right.
Gosh.
Now,
then
now
what
Aunt
if
Shelley,
they're like
Aunt
this?
Shelley's baby came out this way
Ew.
because most babies come this way. This is natural.
But that's gross. Doctors have to pull your and look at your vagina and then pull the baby out.
Well,
You mean they have to stick they have to put little gloves and stick it right in the vagina and pull the head out?
no, the head comes out by itself, and then they just hold it so it doesn't fall out.
No.
The
I mean,
head.
the head's gonna fall?
No, so it doesn't hit his head on
I
something.
hope Shanna will not
What?
have. I hope Shanna will be okay when she
Oh,
has
she'll
that.
be okay. Listen to me. So you guys, is there any other questions?
No, I
mean,
got
pretty
a
much.
question. Can
What?
I use the bathroom?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
So Brent, do you have any questions?
Whoa!
Listen, you guys.
Yeah, I do.
I know it's a lot. I know it's a lot.
How does your vagina get that wide?
Well, it stretches.
But then when the baby comes out, how does it go right back together?
It does. Okay, listen, you guys are. That's the end of it.
Collecting, I'm gonna use
Okay, go use the other one.
It's your big butt.
Watch it.
God, Dad, I can't believe that.
Well, don't be saying anything to anybody about it.
There's gonna be a beat down and a shakedown. Oh, take it how you want it, cause it's all going down. We got the ego and you've got the time to waste. There's gonna be a beat down and a shakedown.